Hello IG Garage family, is your scanner showing the P2090 code? This code means the camshaft position actuator control circuit on bank 2 is receiving a lower than normal voltage signal. If you ignore this issue, your engine's valve timing system may not function properly, leading to rough performance, poor acceleration, and reduced fuel efficiency over time. P2090 stands for Camshaft Position Actuator Control Circuit Low, Bank 2. In simple terms, the ECU has detected that the VVT solenoid on bank 2 is not getting enough voltage to properly control camshaft timing. This actuator adjusts valve timing using engine oil pressure, which helps improve power, smoothness, and fuel efficiency. Common symptoms include check engine light on, rough idle, weak acceleration, hesitation during throttle input, poor fuel economy, and sometimes engine vibration. In some cases, you may also notice delayed gear shifting due to incorrect engine timing behavior. Now the most important part, component and sensor locations. The camshaft actuator solenoid VVT solenoid for bank 2 is mounted on the cylinder head on the bank 2 side of the engine. Bank 2 refers to the side opposite cylinder number 1 in V-type engines. It is usually installed near the timing chain cover at the front or top of the engine. The camshaft position sensor is also located near the camshaft on bank to cylinder head. The wiring harness runs from the actuator to the ECU through the engine bay and is exposed to heat, oil leaks, and vibration. For quick diagnosis, start by checking live camshaft timing data using an obd2 scanner. Then inspect the actuator connector for corrosion, loose wiring, or damaged insulation. Check engine oil level and oil quality because dirty or low oil is one of the most common causes of actuator circuit problems. Also inspect the actuator for sludge buildup that may block oil flow. If voltage remains low after inspection, the VVT solenoid itself may need replacement. Finally, repair any wiring issues, change dirty oil if required, replace the faulty actuator if necessary, clear the code, and perform a proper road test. Fixing P2090 on time will restore proper valve timing, smooth acceleration, and optimal engine efficiency.